Hello, hello. We're live finally. Hello, good evening to everyone. Good morning if you are in the morning in the part of the world where you are. My name is Olawumi George, and I'm coming to you live from Austin, Texas. And it's a good night. Anyways, it's far into the night right now, and my agenda for today, I'll be doing a series of videos where I would be talking about machine learning or AI, machine learning, deep learning, and the broader term of AI, which is revolutionizing our world today. I'll be talking about my expertise so far. I'll be talking about some of the projects that I have worked on, my experience with it, what I'm currently doing in the ML AI space. And I mean, I would keep ML and AI is just something that has come to stay in our lives, and it's so exciting. It's such a good time, and I'm thankful for the technology and how far it's going to change our lives, and it has come to be part of our lives, no doubt. And it's great that it's permeating every sphere of human endeavor. It's in our lives every single day. So I will talk about my experience, who I am, why I'm qualified to do this, my skills, what I've done in the past, and what I'm currently doing to advance the frontiers of AI. So yes, quick intro. Like I mentioned earlier, my name is Allow Me. My full name, however, is Allow Me George. I hail from Nigeria. I hail from the south western part of Nigeria, particularly Ogun State. That's a state in the southwest, a smaller state, neighboring to the very popular and populous Lagos state. Many people would have heard about Lagos. So I come from that neighboring um, and smaller state. So to my skills, I actually I have a lot of experience in the software space. I started my programming experience. I started programming that was in 2008. While I was in my second year in college, I was doing undergrad. And I started programming then. And from there, I was writing, both personal projects, internship projects, and just side projects built using a variety of languages or technologies like Java, PHP. Um, I mean, typical database technology, MySQL. I mean, those are just traditional software development tools anyway. I also hold a PhD, and that's to show that I'm highly skilled and qualified in computer science with a research focus in AI and neuroscience. So the aspect of neuroscience that I focused on was was computational neuroscience, and that computational neuroscience just deals with the quantitative and, well, yeah, I don't want to use the same word, computational aspect of neuroscience, but basically it has to do with everything that has to do with it has to do with um everything around taking neuroscience signals, performing computations on them, things like signal processing and things like that. If it means building models around them, basically applying computational methods on neuroscience, on neurophysiological signals, and then using the output for decision making. And so I've I have experience in that, and currently I am involved in stroke research. I've launched my company named Neurmable, and what we are doing is creating a smart, which is AI driven. When it says so I'm creating a smart system, a smart solution to help out with stroke rehabilitation. So typically, when stroke patients survive a stroke, many times they're left impaired, either in vision, either in motion, cognition, whatever it might be. And so what we are doing is we are creating a solution to assess a patient when they're about to start their rehab. That's when they leave the hospital, haven't been discharged from the acute phase of the stroke, and then they go to a rehab center. What our solution does is it assesses the patient neurologically, and all of this is neurological. Over time, we're going to incorporate other signals so that our solution, we're going to incorporate multimodal signals to make the system more robust. Because of course, there's certain things that you might get from certain types of signals, but you might also miss certain things. So having multimodal signals definitely increases your the accuracy, or the not just the accuracy but the performance of your system, the ability to give desired outputs when necessary to accurately, or like to correctly detect patients' status from their neurological signals. So that's what I'm doing currently. I'm doing a lot of research. I've been reading a lot of publications in the space, and we've learned a lot at my company. I'm the CEO and the founder. I do have two other, and I'm building a team. I wouldn't go into the specifics right now. I have a board of advisors. That's an advisory board as well, and we have a lot of work to do. And so, if you know anyone in the neuroscience space, anyone in the physical therapy space, that's clinicians, we would also like to work with them to get some feedback, and make this happen. We can improve the lives of many people affected by stroke, and that number is over 500,000 annually within the U.S. and globally. It's around maybe 12 million, I think, or 10 million, somewhere within that range, 10 to 12 million, I believe. So, I will talk about my ML skills, what I've done so far, my leadership accomplishments, how I've led both technical organizations and non-technical organizations to deliver growth, to deliver goals, big growth, um, executed in different capacities. And not to mind words, I know I'm I possess the necessary skills to move my company forward, and not just my company, any company looking to explore AI. So um, I will be diving more into what my company does, and some of the things that we've worked on so far. So stay tuned and smash a thumbs up on the video if you like it. Share, very important. Share, get a word out to people. Subscribe to the channel and let me know your thoughts. If you want me to cover a specific topic, particularly along the lines of neuroscience and stroke, definitely hit me up. Definitely let me know, and I would look into that, and I can plan ahead. I would prepare a presentation and to that effect, and present to you, so that basically share the knowledge, this wealth of knowledge that I have, and that my team has. So thank you very much for joining tonight. It's been great having this introduction. It's been great having this introduction this time together. I guess we will see once again in the next few days. I should drop another video tomorrow, so make sure to check around for that. Uh, all right, have a good night. Thank you.